Welcome back, guys, in the lecture of HTML. In the previous lecture, we have covered all these three topics, that is, what is HTML, how to know about the file type, and what are the text editors. Okay, so for being time, we will use Notepad. That will be good for you as a beginner. Okay, so now coming on the fourth topic, that is how to create a HTML file. It's very simple. Let me show you via diagram first. Okay, what you have to do, you have to open a notepad first. Okay, these are the steps you have to follow. Then after opening notepad, just click on the file option at the left top corner and save as. Okay, click on the save as button, and then you have to give the file name, that is anything you can give. Suppose my my first project dot. Remember, we have to save this file with the extension of html. Okay, and try not to give any spaces between these words. Okay, that will create a problem later on. Okay, so make habit of not giving any space while giving name. Okay, so let's create our first program. What I have to do, I have to open the notepad. Okay, so here it is. Now I have to go on the file option, then save as option, and I have to select the path where I want to save, and this will be our my first project dot html. We want dot html. If you after this, when you click on the save button, the icon of this file type will be changed to a browser. See on the left sidebar, you can see here. Can you see, this is the icon of the Chrome, because it's my default browser right now. Okay, so directly you can run this file. If you open this file by clicking, see, nothing is there, but our title is there, that is my first project .html. Okay, so just minimize this. We have to edit our code. How you will open? Just click on this HTML file, right click on this and go to open with notepad. Here our text editor is open. Now today I will show you without any syntax, without any structure. Okay, because while creating structure, I have to explain each and every tag, what these tags are doing. So we will cover in the next lecture. Okay, so today we will simply type whatever we would like to type, hello world, and just press Ctrl S, that is save, or you can do it from here also. And now double click on your this project file. Okay, see, finally, bingo. Okay guys, we got hello world. So I think we have covered our all these 5 topics today. Okay, so guys, keep watching, keep practicing. Okay, without practicing, nothing happened. Seriously. Okay, so uh, your task, you have to create a resume or CV containing your name. Okay, and separate them with the by using comma. Okay, suppose I am giving an example, name, name Tendra Kumar. Okay, full stop, education or qualification MCA. Okay, if I save and I refresh this, I'm getting my resume data over here or CV data. So what you have to do, your task, you have to design a HTML page containing about your information or about you, basically your bio, your resume or CV, you can call it. Okay, what it will cover: name, DOB, that is date of birth. Okay, education, current location, that where you are living. Okay guys, and and what you can call it, your parents parents name, what I'm typing, name, and whatever you would like to add. Okay, and after completing this, just mail me at this ID. Okay guys, so see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much guys.